Alright you guys, so I have my Container Store package right here. Here are the dividers that the package came with, and here are the individual drawers. I already went ahead and put one together off camera. This is what it looks like once it's like all put together with the dividers in there. Now these are the t-shirt holders from the Container Store, and these are stackable as well. You know, everything together after taxes and stuff, I think it was about $120 or $130. I don't know. Now that I have everything laid out behind me, I'm like, I'm hoping these 4 little drawers are gonna be enough. I think for me, I'm gonna start with this huge CoverGirl box here, which has like a bunch of foundation in it. And there are some missing. They're like somewhere over here packed away. But yeah, I'm just gonna be listening to some music on my laptop. I'm in the middle of editing this video, by the way, which is my Sugar and Kush inspired makeup tutorial. I did a makeup tutorial based on their packaging, so that'll be up this week. All right, let's get started, you guys. I'm out of room. I filled all 4 drawers. I think I did pretty good with everything, and I love how they look. I feel like it just looks really organized. I have to order more. I'm probably gonna order like 2 more because still don't have a home for my lashes. I don't have a home for my highlighters. This over here, this, that in there, that's all giveaway. I'm gonna give it to my little cousin. She's an aspiring makeup artist, and I'm gonna give all of that to her just to get her kit started so she can be the best she can be. This is garbage. These are just random stuff that needs a home. But here's like just a little bit more stuff in here. Here, stuff on the couch that I haven't put away. It took me about 4 or 5 hours to get this all together. I'll finish this when I get my other 2 drawers here. All right, you guys, so it is finally done. My little makeup collection organization. In total, it took 5 t-shirt drawers and 1 sweater drawer. So on top I have all of my MAC lipsticks. This row here is like the special edition. So Vibe Tribe collection, Christine collection, the Aaliyah collection. This one is Mariah Carey, Miley Cyrus, Ariana Grande, Nicki Minaj. This is Mary J. Blige. The rest of them are just regular lipsticks. So in here is most of my brushes, brow products, eyeliners, lip liners, and my little LED light mirror. So let's go through the drawers. I really love this because it's acrylic. You can see everything, and I just think it looks so good. So this first drawer here is my lashes, individual shadows, all of my glitters, makeup remover wipes, mascara spoolies, and highlighters. These are either like liquid or cream highlighters, a few glitters as well. This drawer is my concealers. Here I have all of my powder bronzers, a couple foundation sticks, but I use them as bronzers. And then here we have all of my powder highlighters. But some pretty good ones in here. Then this drawer here at the bottom are all of my foundations. We have the MAC here. We have a few MAC foundations spread out, and then we have CoverGirl, and we have more CoverGirl. And I try to organize them based off of like shade range, so light, medium, tan, and deep. And then the MACs, I just pretty much just put majority of those together. Over here, we have the beautiful eyeshadow palette drawer. For this one, I needed the sweater drawer because it is taller. I didn't realize how many Ditto Cosmetic eyeshadow palettes I had, but this was absolutely therapeutic. I loved doing this one. The next one here is my prime and setting sprays, primers, gel eyeliners, eye bases, beauty blenders, little travel size moisturizer. This section here is my blush. Here we have setting powder. Back here, more setting powders. Over here we have the powder foundations, all BH Cosmetics in 1 MAC. And then the last drawer is my lip drawer. So I organized this based off of color. So this section is the light pinks. These are the brown lippies with a random gloss thrown in. These are the dark pink lippies. These are the nudes. These are like the plum or purple kind of family. And in this drawer is all of my reds. But yes, you guys, this is the finished look, and this is my little makeup collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.